Hey guys, HavasuLew out in beautiful Lake Havasu. Hey, we're out here checking out this new 4-bedroom, 4-bath pool home listing on the lakeside of the highway for a client. Hang out, check it out too, and I'll talk to you in a minute. All right guys, this is 1971 Palo Verde North, lakeside of the highway, right below the highway, super close to Windsor launch ramp, very desirable lakeside of the highway area. Looks like there could be 1 or 2 vacant lots next door, so you'll have new construction at some point next door to you. So you have a pretty decent lake shot down the street. So this one was just listed a few days ago for $850. Nicely landscaped in the front yard. It has this little seating area and little flagstone walkways. So a cool little spot to hang out and have your morning coffee. That's about what it really looks like to the eye. All right, let's go on in and check it out. All right, guys, this is a 4-bedroom, 4-bath pool home, all remodeled, built in 2,074 square feet. Real nice, big tile floors, quartz tops in the kitchen. This one does have a Casita in the back, which is the 4th bedroom, and a cool German Shepherd. It's a very nice dog. Real nice quartz waterfall edges on this island. Stainless appliances, can lights everywhere. Up lights on the cabinets and down lights. So again, this is on the lakeside of the highway, which is probably one of the only neighborhoods in Lake Havasu that does not comp out with the rest of town because of its location. There's very low turnover over here. And it's right down the street to Windsor Launch. Of course, you have your little slider out to the backyard pool area. Let's go check out the bedrooms. So you have this double door into the master. Same big, they look like quartz tile floors. Of course, you have your slider out to the backyard, one of those big stainless industrial looking type fans. Master bath, quartz top counter. There is a skylight in here, and it also has one of these backlit mirrors. Redone shower has the same tile all the way to the ceiling. You have your walk-in closet. All right, let's go check out the other side of the house. So you have another double door over here to bedroom number 2. That is also a master suite. It's kind of just a mirror of the other one. Same setup. Slider out to the backyard. So you have this master bathroom. It's basically the same exact setup, same mirror, same shower, same walk-in closet, just a mirror of the other side. All right, let's go check out the other room and the casita and the pool. All right, so you have a second guest bedroom in the front of the house. This is the guest bath, same quartz top with a bowl sink, same or a backlit mirror, tiled shower all the way to the ceiling. So there's the light on the mirror. And then you have your guest bedroom, front of the house. They're using it as an office. Same big tile floors in here as well. Double glass slider for the closet. All right, so you have your 3-car garage. Has a 34-foot and a 43-foot bay, insulated doors. There's a door out to the backyard. Looks like there's a big window type AC in the back of this spot back here. This looks like it might have been a add-on at some point. So you have a door out to the backyard pool area. Your washer and dryer live out here as well. And of course your water heater, soft water, RO system. All right, so you have a brand new huge pool. They did travertine decking on the whole patio. There's some artificial turf out here. So it looks like they did the quartz finish on the pool. Huge Baja beach entry type shelf. Little sit-at table. Spill pots. Real nice stonework on the spa. It's a big, big spa. So this one backs to a wash. So you have some privacy between your neighbors. You have a little lake shot down the wash too. This is about what it really looks like right about there. Nothing fancy. So you got another spill pot over here. All your pool equipment. And then you have a casita over here as well. Its own little covered patio. So you have a real nice casita setup. Has like a living area. Granite counter on this little kitchenette. Has a sink and a microwave. Nice upgraded cabinets and LED can lights. So this goes into its own bedroom. Has a closet. So there's also a bathroom in here, which would make a perfect pool bathroom. The door out to the patio, granite counter with dual sinks, tiled shower. You don't see pools this big usually in Havasu. This thing's pretty good size. So they also built this covered patio cover deal. It's huge. And they just finished this whole build. It's got real nice stacked stone, double sinks. It's like a quartz tops. Nice beer fridge, barbecue, and a huge gas fireplace that they just finished. Really nice. Can lights, ceiling fans. So you have dual propane tanks for the pool and probably the fireplace. Have your little side yard. Here's your window AC in the garage and your ingress egress door out of the garage. Hey guys, HavasuLew back again with you. Hope you enjoyed the quick little video, the walkthrough over here on Palo Verde. Again, this one was just listed about a week ago for $850. I'll put a direct link to the listing detail page right below this video so you guys get all the original listing pictures, current price, and availability. Of course, if you guys have any questions at all, always feel free to reach out to me. All my contact information is right below this video. You guys have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon.